Hi, welcome back. I'm Tiffany, and you're listening to Reset Sessions with Tiffany. Today, we are transforming something you do every day into a luxurious act of self-care and mindfulness. This isn't just a shower. This is your personal spa experience, your reset ritual, your time to wash away whatever you don't need and step into renewed clarity. Let's make this shower absolutely magical. Before you step into the water, take a moment to set an intention for this experience. This is your time. No rushing, no thinking about what comes next. Just you, the warm water, and this beautiful act of caring for yourself. Feel the anticipation of the warmth that's waiting for you. Notice the steam beginning to fill the space, creating your own private sanctuary. As you prepare to step into your shower, acknowledge anything from your day that feels heavy or stuck. Stress from work, tension in your body, scattered thoughts, or emotional weight. You don't need to analyze it, just notice it. The water is about to help you release all of it. Now step into the shower and let that first contact with warm water be a moment of pure presence. Feel how the temperature embraces your skin, how your body immediately begins to soften and relax. This is your reset button. This is your time to come home to yourself. Now let yourself fully arrive under the water. Feel the streams flowing over your scalp, down your shoulders, across your back. Each drop is an invitation to be present, to be here, to be cared for. Notice the steam surrounding you, creating this warm, soft cocoon. You're completely held here, completely safe, completely free to just be. Tune into the sound of the water, that steady, soothing rhythm. Let it wash away the noise of the day, the mental chatter, the endless to-do lists. There's just this moment, just this warmth, just this care. Now feel your feet grounded on the shower floor, your body upright and supported. Notice how good it feels to just stand here, to let yourself be still, to receive this simple pleasure of warm water on your skin. Take a few slow, deep breaths, breathing in the warm, humid air. And with each exhale, feel your body softening even more. Your shoulders dropping, your jaw releasing any tension it's been holding. You are exactly where you need to be. This is exactly what you need. There's nowhere else to go, nothing else to do, but receive this gift you're giving yourself. Now, as you begin to cleanse your body, Let each movement be intentional, loving, grateful. This isn't your routine. This is your ritual. Starting with your hair, notice how it feels to massage your scalp. Your hands are offering care. Your scalp is receiving it. Feel grateful for your head that holds all of your thoughts, your dreams, and your creativity. As you work the cleanser through your hair, imagine you're also cleansing your mind, releasing any worried thoughts, any harsh self-talk, any mental fog from the day. The water carries it all away. Now move to your face, gently cleansing with such tenderness. Thank your eyes for all they see, your mouth for all it speaks, your skin for protecting you and allowing you to feel the world. As you wash your neck and shoulders, notice how much tension they've been carrying. Thank them for being so strong, for holding so much. Let the warm water and your gentle touch release any tightness stored there. Continue down your arms. These arms that hug and create and work and reach. Appreciate them. Feel grateful for your hands that touch and hold and give. Let the water bless every part of you. Washing your torso. Thank your heart for beating steadily, your lungs for breathing without you having to think about it. Thank your body for being your home, your constant companion, your partner in this life. As you cleanse your legs, appreciate how they carry you through the world, how they support you, how they move you toward what you love. Thank your feet for their faithful service. This is love in action. This is self-care at its most basic and most profound. You are honoring your body, appreciating your body, caring for your body with such presence and gratitude. Now, as the water flows over you, imagine it's not just cleansing your skin, it's washing away everything that doesn't serve you. Let the water carry away any stress you absorbed today. See it flowing off your body and down the drain, gone forever. You don't need to carry it anymore. Feel the water washing away any criticism or judgment, whether from others or from yourself. Those harsh words, those moments of self-doubt, let them be dissolved and washed away. Any anxiety about tomorrow, any regret about yesterday, let the water take it all. Right now, in this moment, you are clean, you are clear, you are renewed. Notice how much lighter you feel. With each stream of water, you are becoming more yourself, unburdened, refreshed, restored to your natural state of peace and wholeness. Feel the stream continuing to surround you, like a gentle embrace saying, "You are loved, you are worthy of care, you deserve kindness." Take a moment to simply receive. Receive the warmth, receive the cleanliness, receive this act of love you've given yourself. You are being renewed from the inside out. As you prepare to step out of this sacred space, see how different you feel. Feel how different you are from when you stepped in. You're not the same person who entered this shower. You're cleaner, calmer, and more connected to yourself. Before you turn off the water, I want you to set an intention for carrying this feeling forward. How do you want to move through the rest of your day or evening? Maybe with more gentleness, more presence, more appreciation for simple moments like this. As you turn off the water, thank it for this gift. Thank your body for receiving this care so beautifully. Thank yourself for creating this moment of luxury and mindfulness in your day. Step out feeling completely renewed. As you dry yourself, continue this loving attention. Each pat of the towel is another act of care, another moment of appreciation for this body that is your home. Notice how you feel now, refreshed, not just on the outside, but on the inside, cleansed not just of the day's physical residue, but of its energetic weight. Carry this feeling of having been cared for because you have been by you. This is what self-love looks like in practice. This is what it means to honor yourself in the most simple and beautiful way. You can return to this mindful presence anytime you shower. You deserve this care every single day. My friend, you are clean, you are renewed, and you are ready for whatever comes next.